Welcome everyone to Furucombo's community call number 37th for the month of April. So let's get into it. For this call, we will provide some updates with Furucombo on new releases, our lending dashboard that launched, provide some workshop updates, some updates on the loyalty points, and on the event Eth Taipei, and then our new office hour. And then Dan will provide some updates on product tasks. And if there's any questions at the end, feel free to ask. So our newest release, or our biggest release for the last month, was our lending dashboard, and that was what the team was hard working on. We'll go into kind of what that lending dashboard looks like here, and I provided just um, a guide on how to use the lending dashboard. So if you go to the Furucombo page here, you can go to create mode. And on the top left, you'll see lending dashboard, and it's available on all the available networks. So when you click the lending dashboard and connect your wallet, you'll be greeted with an interface that looks something like this. So here you can do any action that you can do in the Furucombo create mode, but just in an easier to use interface. So I will be doing videos that go over exactly how to use this interface, but I just want to give a brief overview on how it looks. So on the left-hand side, this is what you've lent to the lending protocols, and you can make a deposit here, or you can withdraw. And there's different protocols listed here, so there could be AVV2 lending, or AVV3 lending, or compound. And then on the right-hand side, these are the assets that you've borrowed. And on the top right, you can choose to borrow or repay these assets. So borrowing is lending from your deposit, and repaying is repaying the outstanding debts. Deposit is obviously making a deposit to the lending protocol, and withdraw is to pull your collateral out. You can also do some more advanced actions such as collateral swap. So if you click collateral swap here, you can choose a new collateral to choose as your token. And on the right hand side, you can do a debt swap. So you can choose a new debt token, or you can leverage and deleverage. So the debt swap, for example, allows you to swap your debt without having any upfront funds. Same with collateral swap. And deleverage will allow you to leave your position without repaying back your debt first. So if you try to withdraw and you have to repay your debt first, it won't let you because you need to repay to withdraw. But you can use the deleverage function for that. So this is kind of an overview of what the interface looks like. Again, I'll go into more detail into this once I release those videos. And if you do want to check out kind of guides on how to use that, it's on our docs.furucombo.app page under lending dashboard. And then if you go to the bottom here, or just go on the left here, you can go to tutorials, and you can go to our lending dashboard tutorial. And any action you're looking to do, say collateral swap, click collateral swap, and I'll take you to the part on the page that talks about collateral swapping. And then this will provide you just a step-by-step on how to perform that action. And again, if you're confused with the interface, there's kind of an overview at the top here that talks about what's what on the interface, what is utilization, what is health rate, what does deposit mean, what does withdraw mean. So everything should be in the guide here. Of course, if you have any further questions, we'd be happy to help with that. So let us know what you think of the lending dashboard. The guys have put a lot of work into it, and I think it's pretty neat. So feel free to check that out. So next, last month we held a liquid staking workshop. So we talked about what is liquid staking, what protocols can be used, how to liquid stake with Furucombo, and some examples on how to profit from liquid staking. So you can find this on our YouTube channel or in the Furu Studio channel on Discord. And again, if there's any kind of workshop content you want to see, let us know. We do this workshop for you guys to kind of increase your knowledge on the market and help wherever we can. So check that one out and let us know what you think. So loyalty points, a new round of loyalty points began at the beginning of April. And we want to announce too that anyone who participated in the Polygon Degens campaign will also earn some loyalty points. So we will share more info on this soon. Also on Eth Taipei, just completed. So, great to everyone who participated or joined in that one. We also held a chat on navigating the DeFi composability trilemma, and that was a talk held by ZD. So that's on our upcoming composable router system for builders. So we kind of also have an overview of why we're looking to build this. So the talk is kind of available to anyone to watch. You don't necessarily have to be a builder. It could be interesting to you. So that's now uploaded to our YouTube and available in Fru Studio under Fru TV. So definitely check that out if it sounds interesting to you, or if you want to learn more about our upcoming product, the composable router. Also, starting this month, or starting next Friday, I believe is the first one, we're going to host office hours once a week. So anyone can come in and ask us questions during the time that we're there. We will be available in the voice chat. So anything related to how to set up a combo, you can ask why are you getting an error? Where can you find information about using a certain combo or building a certain combination? Or anything really related to Furucombo, our workshops, Furu Radio, anything basically. Um, so our English office hours are going to be Friday at 4 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. And then we will also have a Chinese office hours as well, and that will be hosted at Friday, 3 p.m. UTC plus 8. So if you do have any problems, questions, and you want a live person there to help walk you through it via the voice chat, or we could do a demonstration on the video, definitely check out the office hours. We will be there for 1 hour. Again, starting Friday, 4 p.m. to 5 p.m., or for the Chinese office hours, Friday, 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. And that will be weekly. So I will pass it over to Dan to update on the released product tasks.
Okay, my turn now. So we released some new feature last week, just like Josh mentioned, landing dashboard. So if you check on our website, you can see the new tab on the beside create tab. It actually is a new UI for our user to do a better or easier way to handle their landing decision management. And we basically support our channels we already launched on it. So like Ethereum, Polygon, Phantom, Alpha Launch, Ultimate, and Arbitrum, we all support it. And we support Aave V2 and V3 and the Compound V2. And on Phantom, we support GIST. And for all those Bexy function like deposit, you all can see it on the dashboard. So you can do it on the list page or you can do it on the create. Either export function. And the most different compared to the create page is the actually we provide a more user friendly user interface. Like user can do some complicated action. So you don't need to you process your transaction on the create page. You have to know each action or you need to put or you need to use which combo. So like credit swap, debt swap, or leverage, something like this, you can do it very easily. Next slide, please. Okay, so just Josh already briefed the interface. So uh, yeah, okay. So if you want to do a credit swap, and you have to already have a position in that lending protocol, and you will see the button of the collateral swap. So if you want to swap, change your collateral to another collateral token, you only need to choose the token and the input amount. We will calculate the output amount for you. And if you want to modify something for yourself, you can click advanced mode. It will show up a create page, and we will build a combo for you. Okay, next slide. And here there's app swap. So only you have already have a borrow position in lending protocol. You can see this button, and you have to only you need to know is the what is the current debt for you, and which token will be your new borrow token. All you need to know is that. Okay, next slide. Okay, so we suppose repay function, and it have a two kind of different mode. So you can repay with the original token to repay your debt, or you can repay all your debt position with a single token. Like this picture show, I borrow 4 token, but I want to repay it with USDC. So we will do all the swap thing to help you to repay with USDC. Yeah. Next. Okay, so if you want to do the leverage, it will be complicated in the create page or in the lending protocol. So now you only have only need to do is the input the amount you want to do a leverage and which kind of token you want to leverage. Then we will show the related info like healthy rate and net APY, something like that. So you can help you to do a better job on this transaction. Next. Yeah. If you want to close your position, now you just press this button and we'll show what is the current token you want to repay and which kind of collateral you will use it to repay your debt. So then you can close your position with a fresh loan. Yeah. Okay. I think, and we will have a next release in the end of this month, I think. So we will integrate the compound B3 on the create page, and we'll support the Ethereum USDC and the ETH market, and also the Polygon USDC market. And we will do the next project is we will do some refine for the create page. So after this released, if you click the plus button on the create page, you will see another tab called quick menu. So it's kind of like we search several public strategy and we preview those kind of combo for you. So only you need to do is click or select the strategy you want to process. We will help you to build a whole transaction for each combo. So you need to do is the change the token and change the amount. Then you can just send it out. Yep. So I think that is the product section.
Awesome. Thank you, Dan. So yeah, everyone in attendance. So that'll be the end of the community call here. Everyone in attendance will receive a OAT for being here. And Dan, can you still claim the OATs directly from the Furucombo wallet page, or did we change that? I can't
Yeah,
recall.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
If you join community, you still can turn the OAT by the wallet page.
Okay, perfect. Sounds good. Yeah. So then, yeah, as Dan mentioned, you can claim it directly from our page, and we will add that POAP usually a few days after the community call or after we have a POAP for basically everything, workshop, for radio, whatever. So we usually add that a couple days after, and then you can claim that directly from the page. So great. Thanks for everyone for being here today. And this is the community call for the month of April. We'll see you at the next one. Thank you, Dan.
Thank you, Josh.
Take care.